चलिए ऑक्सीजन संकट की बात कर लेते हैं और दक्षिण भारत के बड़े राज्य तमिलनाडु में भी अब ऑक्सीजन की कमी देखी जा सकती है। तमिलनाडु सरकार ने इसी बीच केंद्र से अपने ऑक्सीजन कोटे को बढ़ाने के लिए भी कहा है। राज्य सरकार का कहना है कि तमिलनाडु को प्रतिदिन केवल 220 मैट्रिक टन ऑक्सीजन मिल रही है, जबकि पिछले हफ्ते ऑक्सीजन की खपत 470 मैट्रिक टन थी। आपको बता दें, राज्य सरकार ने केंद्र से ऑक्सीजन का कोटा बढ़ाकर 310 मैट्रिक प्रतिदिन करने की मांग की है। तमिलनाडु में अब सारी की सारी उम्मीदें स्टेरलाइट प्लांट पर टिकी हुई हैं, जो कि ऑक्सीजन का उत्पादन करने वाला है। हालांकि राज्य सरकार के सामने दो बड़ी चुनौतियां हैं। पहली चुनौती ये है कि स्टेरलाइट प्लांट जो कि ऑक्सीजन का उत्पादन करेगा, उसको शुरू होने में अभी कम से कम 3 हफ्तों का वक्त लग सकता है, क्योंकि इसे अभी भी कई विभागों से मंजूरी नहीं मिली है। और दूसरी बड़ी परेशानी की बात यह है कि स्टेरलाइट प्लांट में अभी तक बॉटलिंग प्लांट नहीं बना हुआ है, और जिससे कि ऑक्सीजन के उत्पादन में और भी ज्यादा कठिनाई सामने आ सकती है। मुगिलन हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं और ज्यादा जानकारी लेकर। सो मुगिलन, वी आर सीइंग दैट लाइक सेवरल अदर स्टेट्स, द oxygen demand in Tamil Nadu is also shooting up, and now the state has also made an appeal to the center to increase the quota of oxygen to them. However, if you can just give us a grounds as what exactly is happening in Tamil Nadu, how serious is the problem of oxygen crisis, and what exactly is going to happen as far as Sterlite is concerned?
Uh, uh, you rightly pointed out the situation turning grimmer in Tamil Nadu. Also, Tamil Nadu is in the very brink of oxygen shortage because the actual producing capacity here in Tamil Nadu is 400 metric tons, but now the consumption on a single day have crossed 470 metric tons, and the excess of oxygen is now being diverted from Puducherry, is what we are getting to hear from the health department officials. And yes, there have been several reasons that have been cited by the health department officials for the shortage, because there are 30 metric ton of oxygen that is produced here in Chennai is being diverted to Andhra Pradesh, and this former Chief Minister EPS have written a letter to the Prime Minister asking to stop the diversion of oxygen, stating that there is a need for oxygen here in the state of Tamil Nadu, but still the diversion continues. And more importantly, when we spoke with the health department officials, they point out the central allocation is completely wrong, and when it was pointed out to the central government, it has not been revised by the central government, and the central government quota of oxygen has not reached Tamil Nadu yet, because the central government have pointed out that Tamil Nadu will be getting 220 metric tons from the central quota, but Tamil Nadu state government objected the calculation, and they have stated it. They have evaluated it wrongly. The central allocation for Tamil Nadu should stand at 300 metric ton, and a letter was written to the health ministry also. But so far, there is no reply coming from the health ministry, or any oxygen from the central quota have reached Tamil Nadu so far. So the Tamil Nadu health department officials say that they are internally managing the oxygen resource. They are trying to source in from Pondicherry, or they are trying to trying to ramp up the production capacity in various facilities that are existing in the state of Tamil Nadu. And when we speak about it, we have Sterlite also, which have come forward and have stated that they are ready to produce oxygen at the Sterlite plant here in Thoothukudi, and they can ready to distribute to the worst affected states. But that being in place, the Supreme Court also have given a go-ahead for the Sterlite plant. The Tamil Nadu state government has also given conditional approval for production of oxygen alone in the Sterlite plant, and even after the nod is given, so far the expert committee, several approvals from several departments are pending. Even the power and the water connection is yet to be restored to the oxygen plant. And what we are learning is that there is no bottling plant inside the Sterlite plant. So even if oxygen is produced, there should be a bottling plant to pack it in a oxygen cylinder. So there is no such facility in the Sterlite plant, and that will also will take time. So it will at least take 3 weeks, or at least few more weeks, for a Sterlite plant to produce oxygen. And if that been produced is what we are hearing, that the Tamil Nadu oxygen requirement will be met to an extent is what we are getting to hear from the health department officials. Yes, now Tamil Nadu is walking
Right,
very
Mugilan.
cautiously towards the oxygen shortage.
Really sorry to interrupt you. I'm running out of time here. Sorry, Mugilan, to interrupt you, but we are short on time. Thank you for that update. इस बुलेटिन में फिलहाल इतना ही। देश और दुनिया की ताज़ा तरीन खबरें लगातार मेरा नाव पर जारी हैं।